She looks beautiful, charming, and confident. But beneath that surface, something feels off. You sense it. The emotional chaos, the manipulation, the lack of peace. Most men ignore the warning signs, only to wake up months later, drained, broken, and questioning themselves. In this lesson, we'll explore the 4 hidden signs of a low-value woman. And more importantly, how to protect yourself using Stoic wisdom and psychological awareness. Because recognizing her patterns early is not judgment, it's self-defense. 1. She thrives on attention, not connection. A low-value woman constantly seeks validation. Her self-worth depends on who's watching, liking, or chasing her. She needs attention to feel alive. And when she doesn't get it, she becomes restless or cruel. Marcus Aurelius said, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." Her thoughts are colored by external approval, not inner peace. She may post seductive content, flirt publicly, or test your jealousy, not because she loves you, but because she fears being unseen. A high-value woman seeks connection. A low-value woman seeks recognition. 2. She uses emotion as a weapon. She doesn't argue to understand. She argues to dominate. When confronted, she plays the victim. When she's wrong, she flips the narrative. This is emotional manipulation, and it's subtle. The Stoics warned against letting emotions rule reason. Epictetus wrote, "When someone is properly grounded in life, they shouldn't have to look outside themselves for approval." A low-value woman uses guilt, silence, and tears to control outcomes. She's skilled at twisting emotion into leverage. 3. She has no sense of accountability. Every problem is someone else's fault. When things go wrong, she blames circumstances, friends, or you, but never herself. The Stoic mind believes in ownership. You can't control the world, but you can control your part in it. Low-value women fear self-reflection because it exposes their flaws. They prefer drama over growth, attention over introspection. 4. She lacks emotional stability. One day she adores you. The next day, she's distant. Her mood swings dictate the relationship. She may test you through withdrawal or provoke reactions to measure control. The Stoics taught emotional stability as the root of power. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. A low-value woman lives in emotional chaos, not because she's evil, but because she's never learned control. You can't build peace with someone addicted to turbulence. The Stoic way to protect yourself are: 1. Detach emotionally before you act. Observe your feelings, but don't let them dictate your next move. 2. Build your identity around purpose, not people. When your mission is strong, no one's chaos can distract you. 3. Value peace over passion. If she brings fire without calm, she's not your partner. She's your test. 4. Be ready to walk away, not in anger, but in wisdom. The Stoic doesn't chase what disturbs his peace.